Looking for a reliable partner to manage your San Jose rental property? Here's why you should hire Provident Property Management. Discover the benefits of working with a trusted and experienced property management team. We are a full-service property management company taking care of every detail to ensure your real estate investment is successful, profitable, and satisfying. From tenant screening to maintenance, we've got you covered. We utilize HD photos, flexible showings, and syndicate listings to over 100 sites to reduce vacancy and attract the best tenants. Effective marketing strategies are key to maximizing your property's potential. Our expert lease negotiations and accurate rental pricing ensure compliance with laws and protect your rights. We aim to get your property rented quickly at the best price, providing peace of mind. We perform comprehensive tenant screenings, including credit checks, employment verification, and previous landlord references. This thorough process ensures we find the right tenants for your property, minimizing risks. We ensure timely rent collection through easy online payments and handle all notices, so you don't have to deal with missed payments or legal hassles. Our system is designed for efficiency and convenience. Our team manages all maintenance requests efficiently and conducts thorough property inspections, safeguarding your investment. Regular inspections and prompt maintenance keep your property in top condition. Keep tabs on your investment with our detailed financial reports available anytime through our secure owner portal. Monthly statements and direct deposit make managing your finances easy and transparent. In rare cases of eviction, we handle every detail with professional legal services, keeping you informed and stress-free. Our experienced team ensures the process is smooth and compliant with all regulations. As a locally owned and operated firm, our dedicated and friendly staff with years of experience are here to serve you. We understand the San Jose market and are committed to meeting your property needs. Choose Provident Property Management for a hassle-free, professional, and successful property management experience. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you achieve your investment goals.